right, so our goal is to solve two-step equations like we did in our last lesson, but instead of just integers, we're going to throw some decimals in there. All right. Do you remember how to add signed decimals? Pause the video. Try to add these. They have very similar numbers, but you might get different responses. Pause the video, try it yourself, then we'll review. All right, let's look at question 1. Is your answer to question 1 going to be positive or negative? If you said negative, you are correct. Okay. The reason being is I have one positive and one negative, right? So when we have different signs, we pick the absolute value with the bigger sign, or we just pretend the signs aren't there. Which one's the bigger number? 8.9 is bigger than 1.2, so your answer is going to be negative, right? So now that they have different signs, okay, so remember, different signs, we're going to take the difference. Difference means subtraction, okay? Difference, okay? So that's a subtraction problem now, so subtract. So we're going to subtract these two, right? And if we did that, we'll put the absolute values, so the signs are not there anymore. So if we subtract them, we'll get 8.9 minus 1.2. So we get 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. So the answer will be negative, right? We said it was going to be negative in the beginning, negative at 7.7. All right. Question 2, is your answer positive or negative? Your answer will be negative, right? You have a negative plus another negative. So same signs. When the signs are the same, keep it the same, right? Same. If we did positive 1.2, if we did positive 1.2 plus positive 8.9, your answer is going to be positive, right? So if I have negative plus negative, your answer will be a negative. All right. So now that we have that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the sum. Remember, same sign. I'll write this one down here. Same, if they have the same sign, we forget about the signs, meaning we take the absolute values and we take the sum, which means we add. Okay, so we're going to add these numbers now. Okay, so I'm going to do 1.2 plus 8.9. Okay, 2 plus 9 is 11, carry the 1. And then I got 1, 1, and 8. So that will give me 10. So my answer is 10.1. But remember, negative, so it'll be negative 10.1. Well, think about it like this. If you owe me $1.2 and then you owe me $8.9, that means you owe me 10.1 because we combined them. Okay. All right, down here at the bottom, question 3, is your answer positive or negative? Your answer is positive, okay? Because it is like question 1, different signs. I have a negative plus a positive, right? So different signs, we pick the winner, bigger is the winner. Which one's bigger? We said 8.9 is bigger. 8.9 was bigger in question 1. That's why our answer is negative. 8.9 in this question is positive, so my answer is going to be positive. And remember, different signs, take the difference. So now we're just going to subtract them. And I've already done that. So my answer will be positive 7.7. So be careful with the signs when we're adding and subtracting. Remember, you can rewrite this. I could put 8.9 in the front, and then I could put the negative 1.2 in the back. And now you can see this is 8.9 minus 1.2, which was what we were supposed to do, take the difference. All right, so we're warmed up. I'll see you guys in the next video.